Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how to take this brand new metal to this aged looking metal that's very appropriate for this galvanized farmhouse look. So to create this look, I'm taking this metal water pail that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It originally was $9.99, but I purchased it for 50% off. You'll also need some kind of Clorox bleach toilet cleaner. Yes, that's right, I said toilet cleaner. You're also going to need a pair of gloves because you're going to be working with chemicals, and I had some steel wool. Okay, so let's put our gloves on because we want to protect our hands. So then you're going to take a very light layer of the toilet cleaner and you're going to take your steel wool to pretty much scour all of the metal, making sure that all of the metal has been covered in a very light layer to start the aging process. Once I'm satisfied and believe that I have covered all of the metal, I'm going to go ahead and leave this for 30 minutes to dry. So my water bucket has been sitting for about 30 minutes drying, and you can see that it has been dulled quite a bit, but it's still not where I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and do another layer and just scour it and just scratch it on up and just let that chemistry go. Now there is another way to age metal, and that's using hydrogen peroxide, salt, and white vinegar. That will cause your metal to rust, and I didn't want to go for a rusted look. I wanted to go for a more aged galvanized look. So once I have let this sit and get to the point where I want it to be, where as dark as I want it to be, the longer you let it sit, the darker it's going to get. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to rinse my bucket, I'm going to dry it, and then I'm going to show it off, and then this is what it looks like. I didn't wait all day because I did want to show this off already, and I wanted to put my beautiful flowers that I purchased. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.